I said I was going to fundamentally change our country, and I meant it. So I'm also announcing today that we will take the extraordinary step of introducing emergency legislation.
Just on the bogged down point, I just want to ask Harjap, use your legal brain while we have you. In terms of this treaty idea Sunak has got about basically reforming the approach to Rwanda or convincing everyone that Rwanda is safe enough to legally send migrants there, what will that legal process look like, and will he get it done in time while he's still in power?
It could take ages. It could take years. I mean, it could take 2 or 3 years to convince anybody that Rwanda is safe. I don't think he's got that much time. And to enact all of that and before a general election, which we at the latest will be November, I don't think that's going to be possible. So he might say the right words and he's playing the right game, but in effect, I mean, what are you going to do? It's not only EU legislation, it's 3 acts in the UK. The 1993 Act, the Nationality and Asylum Act of 2002, which was quoted today, and the 2004 Act. Are we going to reform all of them and ignore all of them? Are we going to repeal them? The ECHR? Are we going to ignore Strasbourg? I mean, how are we going to play it?
And of course,
I don't think Rwanda was ever the real intention. Rishi has also mentioned that the next option is that he'll push for us to leave the European Court of Human Rights.
Yeah.
I think this is the real agenda.
Harjap, I'm going to put that to you.
I agree with Lucy, and I think Lucy's been very perceptive and she's got cut right to the chase. I think this is the agenda. This was the going to be the rallying cry of Suella Braverman as well. Oh, I'm being stopped from doing everything by everything else. Let's get out of the European Court of Human Rights.
We heard the Prime Minister assert many times in that press conference that the number of people arriving is down by a third, that many arrests, did he say 20,000 arrests have been made, or 20,000 people have been sent back to other countries, many arrests have been made. Is that what you're seeing as you go about your work?
The numbers have come down, and that's due to the Albanian, a lot less Albanians coming over, and that's perhaps the returns agreement has sort of kicked in relation to that. However, it's not going to make a big difference in relation to numbers coming over. It's
all boats are down a third.
That's
significant.
That's a fact, right?
But essentially, we could be in a situation next year where they go up again. So there's no permanent solution to the fact. There's no trend to show that this is a permanent sort of figure. What is problematic is the number of people being enforcedly removed. So that has gone down from 60,000 in 2010 and 2009 to removals to about 3,000.